What should you do if your iPad or iPhone won't turn on and when you connect the charger, a depleted battery icon appears on the screen? Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about this problem and I'll explain how you can fix it. This is what happened to me. I was using my tablet, then set it aside for a while. When I picked it up again, I saw that it was turned off. At first I thought the battery had just run out. Well, it happens to everyone, right? I held down the power button to turn it on, but nothing happened. Then I thought maybe the battery had failed or there was some kind of hardware issue. But in my case, it was most likely related to the software. I'll tell you about two options that can really help. So first, connect the charger to your device. Check. If the battery is at 0, meaning there's a red bar showing, wait patiently for about half an hour. When you notice that the battery has charged up even just a little bit, press and hold both buttons at the same time. The power button on top and the home button at the bottom in the center. Hold these buttons for more than 10 seconds and wait for the device to start booting up. If after this the Apple logo does not appear, then move on to the second method. And here the problem might actually be with the battery. For this, oddly enough, we'll need a regular hairdryer. If your iPad or iPhone is in a protective case, be sure to take it out. Turn it over so the back is facing up and point the hairdryer at it. The distance from the hairdryer to the tablet should be about 5 to 10 centimeters. And of course, this will depend on the power of your hairdryer. Try to heat the tablet in this way for about 30 seconds up to 1 minute. Don't be surprised by this method because in the computer industry, graphics cards that are about to fail are heated in a similar way. After that, just like in the first method, press and hold the two buttons, the power button and the home button, at the same time. After waiting a little more than 10 seconds, your device should start up. If it worked, write in the comments which method helped you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive useful information in the future. Well, with that, I wish everyone a great day and see you soon. Bye.